In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document using DocuSign on your computer. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through each and every step, making the process easy and straightforward. Let's start by navigating to your homepage. Once there, you're going to want to locate the Start button. Alternatively, if you're familiar with the layout, you can head straight to the Agreements section and select Start Now. This is your jumping off point for getting your documents ready to sign. Next up is uploading the documents that need signing. Ensure that you have these files ready and accessible on your computer. Once you have them, simply upload them into DocuSign. The platform makes this simple by allowing you to drag and drop your files or upload them directly from a file browser. After your documents have been successfully uploaded, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. This includes their name and email address. Feel free to customize this area as needed. You can add a code for an additional layer of security, enter a private message, or involve details that make the process unique to your situation. Don't forget that you can also personalize the email by modifying the subject line and the message. Once you're satisfied with these details, simply click Next to proceed. Now it's time to add fields to the document using the Standard Fields tool. This step is crucial as it dictates where the signatory needs to fill in or sign. DocuSign provides options such as email, name, address, and various numbers among others. Carefully drag each required field to the appropriate location on the document. Placement is important here, so take your time to ensure each field is aligned correctly and clearly. Finally, when you're happy with the placement of all fields and you've double-checked everything, it's time to send the document. Click the Send button, and your document will be on its way to the recipient for signing. So, there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to sign a document in DocuSign using your computer. Remember, DocuSign is a powerful tool that simplifies the signing process and makes it secure, saving time and ensuring accuracy. With just a few easy steps, your documents are ready to be signed, sealed, and delivered. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.